So in this video, we're going to learn how to create master pages so that we have a consistent design throughout our document. And we're also going to look at how to create automatic incrementing pages so we don't have to keep putting page 1, 2, 3, and so on in our document. So let's get started. Right now I'm in InDesign, ready to start a new document. I see I have my untitled here. I'm not going to worry about that because this is just for demonstration purposes. I'm going to leave everything else here, and the only thing I'm going to change is to make sure I have at least 4 pages so we can see how this works. I'm going to leave this facing pages so that way InDesign structures this as a book, so it has 1 page on the left and 1 page on the right. Go ahead and create that. Now all I need to do here is add something in here so we can get the idea, and I'm going to add a shape like that. And while that shape is selected, you see I still have my crosshairs, so that way if I wanted to add another shape I can drag that. And if I wanted to get out of this shape tool, all I have to do is hit the escape key. Actually the escape key won't get me out of this tool, it'll get me out of the object itself. So my V key gives me the regular selection tool, and that's what I want to have right now, so I can select the entire object. Because as I can see here, this one is selected, so I'm going to shift to select the other object. I'm going to select the edge of it because I want to edit both of these, and now I can see that both of these are selected. If I look in my layers panel, I can see that they're both selected with those blue rectangles there. With both of them selected, I'm going to go ahead and add a fill, and with both of them still selected, I'm going to change the border, and then I'm going to change the border color. Now I'm going to add some text inside of this. So I'm going to select my text tool, and I'm just going to click on the object, and what that will do is let me type inside the object, and I'll just put my title. And while that's selected, I can go ahead and center that. I can also do a host of other things with it. I can change the size. Now I'm going to go down here. I'm going to select the text tool by hitting T, select in there, and then I'm going to put page. So right now I have all of this information on one page. If I go to the other pages, you can see I don't have anything else there. Now I could highlight all of this, copy it, and paste it in all those pages, but if I had 100 pages or even 50 or 25 pages, every time I needed to change my title or something in the name, the page number, I would have to go to every page. So what happens is that things become inconsistent. To fix that, we want to be able to put everything on a master page, which will then go down to all the other pages. So I'm going to select this and shift select this, and then I'm going to hit Control X to cut that. And I'm going to double click on the master page word. I'm going to edit and paste in place, so that way it pastes it exactly the same place that it was. So what I need to do is select this. I'm going to select both of these again, and then I'm going to hold Alt down and drag it over to the other side. That way I have it on both pages. Now what you'll see is that on all my pages I have the title and I have that footer. Now the last thing I need to do is add a page number. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to hit the text tool, and I'm going to put my cursor where I want the page number to be. Then I'm going to go to the type tool, go to insert special characters, markers, and then current page number, and that'll put this little A there. And what's going to happen is, after let me get out of this tool by hitting the select tool. When I go to my pages now, you'll see on this page it tells me the page number. Now all I need to do is do it for this one here. First I select my text tool, put it where I want it, go to type, insert special, markers, and insert page number. So now I have it on all the pages. So I can go here, that's page 1, that's page 2, 3, and 4. Perfect. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.